Yeah, it's already recorded. So, hi everyone, I'm Jasper and welcome to another video. Judging by the title, I am sure that you already know what this video is all about. We will be testing out this little guy here. This is the Rode VideoMicro. It's a shotgun mic. It's very compact, so it's good for traveling. And if you're wondering, this is recorded from the internal mic of my camera. My DSLR is a Canon 550D. I know you're waiting for me to try this out, so I'm gonna switch the audio from internal mic of the camera to the microphone, which is the Rode VideoMicro, in 3, 2, 1. We are now using the external microphone. Did you notice some changes from the previous one? Did the audio quality improved? Drop it in the comments if you think it's better, because I'm still learning on using this microphone. Because if you look it up in the internet, my camera, which is a Canon 550D, has problems when it comes to plugging external microphones. There's this hiss problem. That's why I installed this new firmware. Already did all of that through 1 week of intense research. I hope you like the new audio quality. For me, it improved a lot. If you know some things about improving audio quality and when it comes to this kind of microphone, I need some suggestions from you. Yeah, this is just a short video to test this microphone out. I'm really excited how it can help my videos for the long run. That's all for today, and thank you for watching, and as always, see you on the next vlog. Next video, we will be testing out this guy.